Midden Zeeland, goedemiddag. Golf, Romeo, Oscar Lima.
Oscar Lima, Midden Zeeland, goedemiddag, go ahead.
Die Golf Oscar Lima, request aerodrome information for a VFR flight back to Kortrijk.
Golf Oscar Lima, we have runway 27 with right hand circuit in use.
27 right hand, Golf Oscar Lima. Run up.
And the runway 27 is vacated.
Brakes. On the toes. Engine instruments.
Midden Zeeland,
all in the
Hotel
green.
November Charlie Delta over DZK
Fixture,
for
full
airport
reach.
information.
Propeller. Full fine. Throttle.
November Charlie Delta, Midden Zeeland, goedemiddag, we have runway 27 with right hand circuit in use.
27 November Charlie Delta.
Ik de altijd.
Totaal
het twee zware handen zijn, neem ik aan.
magneto's. We gaan iets
Ja.
naar de rechts. Goed. Normal. Left. Goed.
Ja.
Normal. Carboheat.
Ja.
Normal. Power is available. Speed is alive.
Ja, zeg ik in de speed.
And rotate. And the Golf Oscar Lima is leaving via the south. Thanks for your service. Tot de volgende keer.
Golf Oscar Lima, bedankt, goede vlucht terug en tot ziens.
And Dutch Mill, good afternoon. Golf, Romeo Oscar Lima.
Oscar Lima, go ahead.
Ja, goedemiddag. De Golf Oscar Lima is een molen MXT72PB VFR from Midden Zeeland to Echo Bravo Kilo Tango 1500 feet just south of Midden Zeeland for flight info.
Roger, the QNH view is 1021.
1021, thank you. Yeah, good day sir. Golf, Romeo Oscar Lima, molen MXT7 2POB VFR from Midden Zeeland to Echo Bravo Kilo Tango 1400 feet. Terneuzen request flight info.
Regional QNH in Belgium, FIR 1019er.
1019er, thank you, Golf Oscar Lima.
Oscar, go for 1.
Oscar, go for 1 VFR flight from Echo Bravo Alpha Mike to Echo Bravo Foxtrot November. Just born Namuzi. I have 2000 on the squad. It was traffic information.
Flight information is available, regional QNH 1019er.
QNH 1019er, Oscar, go for 1.
Oscar, about 8 car.
Okay, Mark, for the viewers of the vlog,
Yes, Yuri.
tell me about your flying adventure. How did you become a private pilot?
Okay, Yuri. It was always a dream for me of flying, but when you are young, then you have other things that should be okay first. So I started when I was 17 with model flying, yeah? But there was of course no money and no time for a real PPL.
Yep.
So I was already 50 years old when I really came to the idea to start the PPL, but I was not sure if I could do it, yes or no, and I really started only at 55. Yeah.
55, okay.
When I had the age of 55. I started my PPL in the North Sea Club.
Yes.
Because it's only 10 kilometers away of my home, so it was very easy. And also the lessons are at the Saturday afternoon, so that was also perfect. So I started then in October with the theoretical, and already in December I started my first lessons in the air practical, and it was really very nice to do it. Really something new, to think in dry dimensions, not in 2 dimensions like everybody does. And so then in 2012 I got my license.
Okay.
And okay, then I was starting flying, of course, with the plane I was using for the lessons, so Cessna 150.
Yeah.
But then after some months I started flying on a Piper PA-28, and then after that the Robindeer 400.
Yeah.
So we have done, let's say, we tried to fly at least once in a week.
Yeah.
So that was very good to do together with other pilots.
Of course.
So then at that moment you learn a lot, and after some years you have more experience, and also then you start flying to new airports on your own, and so I continued until today. I really like to fly. Last year I have done about 100 hours.
Why? That's a lot.
Yeah, and then also we start flying with the Cessna 172, who has a Garmin 1000 in it, so it's a very nice plane. Yeah, and then last year also I have made my rating for night flying VFR, of course. Yeah, that gives also new opportunities, surely in the winter time. So you have more time to fly.
1 o'clock, 2.5 miles, same altitude, approaching track.
We have a sharp lookout for the traffic. Go Oscar Lima. We have some information from the radio. I think it's traffic from Ursel.
Romeo says now 152 VFR from Grimbergen to Grimbergen, just north of Rondy at 900 feet, QNH 1022, request flight information service.
Regional QNH 1019er.
Yeah.
Just in front of us.
Regional QNH 1019er, Oscar Victor Charlie Romeo.
Traffic inside, go Oscar Romeo.
Okay, yeah.
So you were saying 100 hours of...
Yes, last year 100 hours. I think now I have about 400, 500 hours, about 800 landings altogether. And now today I have the opportunity to fly with Yuri.
Yes.
My best friend of
best friend.
other times also. now we are flying in the Mole.
Yeah.
And okay, it's a more complex plane than the plane that we are used to. But once you know it, I think it's also a marvelous airplane to travel and to enjoy the flights.
Yes, for sure. It's a very nice plane to fly.
Yeah.
And you're doing a great job.
Thank you, Yuri. Yeah.
Tango Bravo, WONKI moment. Oscar Lima X Yankee, you're on this location.
We're going for the backtrack.
Delta, request crossing 24.
Delta, look out for the traffic backtracking 24.
Watching out for traffic backtracking. Delta.
So folks, that was the flight for today. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a nice flight for us. Nice weather, cold weather. From Kortrijk to Midden Zeeland, a flight time of approximately 45 minutes each leg. And yeah, it was nice. It was nice to fly with Marc again. It was a long time since we flown together. And yeah, hopefully you liked it also. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you know when new videos are coming online, and leave a comment below so I know what you think or suggestions you should have for me. Yeah, it's a wrap. Think big, be small. See you at the next one.